To activate parental control on YouTube is pretty simple. On your YouTube app, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. Then on this interface, continue to click on the top right corner where you see this settings GA. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate restricted modes. And what this does is it helps us hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and these settings only apply to this app on this device. So make sure to toggle this on. If you want to protect your kids and monitor all the activities on their online presence, I will highly recommend you to visit this website. On this website, you could be able to track and monitor your kids' devices, whether it's their call logs, SMS, phone chats, messages, and everything that you want to track on their devices. It's pretty simple. You can get this at unbeatable prices just by clicking the link in the video description. It's pretty simple and easy. Back to the video. That's it. You have successfully activated parental control on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.